A clean air conditioner is a happy air conditioner. It also keeps your home cool and comfortable. Dirt and dust make your AC unit work harder. This can lead to breakdowns and costly repairs. Regular cleaning helps your AC unit run smoothly. It also saves you money on your energy bills. Before you begin, gather your cleaning supplies. You will need a sturdy stepladder, a soft bristled brush, a vacuum cleaner with a hose attachment, a fin comb, optional but recommended, a garden hose with a spray nozzle, and a mild household cleaner, again, optional. Having everything on hand makes the job easier. It also helps you clean your AC unit thoroughly. Safety is paramount when working with any appliance. Before you start cleaning, always turn off the power to your AC unit at the breaker box. Wait a few minutes for the unit to completely power down. Never attempt to clean your AC unit while it is still running. Remember, water and electricity don't mix. Taking these precautions will help prevent electrical shock. Section 4. Step-by-step cleaning guide. First, cleaning the air filter. Open the access panel to your AC unit. Carefully remove the air filter. Use the vacuum cleaner to remove dust and debris. If the filter is very dirty, you can rinse it with water. Allow the filter to dry completely before reinstalling. Next, cleaning the condenser coils. The condenser coils are located outside the unit. Use a soft bristled brush to gently remove dirt and debris from the coils. You can also use a fin comb to straighten any bent fins. Once you have removed the loose dirt, use the garden hose to rinse the coils from top to bottom. Then cleaning the fan blades. Locate the fan blades behind the air filter. Use a soft bristled brush or vacuum cleaner with a hose attachment to carefully remove dust and dirt from the blades. Be careful not to bend the blades. Finally, reassembling and testing. Once you have finished cleaning, carefully reassemble all parts of your AC unit. Close the access panel securely. Turn the power back on at the breaker box. Test your AC unit to make sure it is working properly. So Section 5. Keeping it clean maintenance tips. Regular maintenance helps your AC unit run efficiently. It also extends its lifespan. Here are some tips. Clean or replace your air filter every month during the cooling season. Remove any debris such as leaves or grass clippings from around the outdoor unit regularly. Schedule professional maintenance for your AC unit at least once a year. By following these tips, you can enjoy a cool and comfortable home all summer long.